Here's how to transfer tokens or Arbitrum One, step by step. First, open your wallet like MetaMask, Rabby, or Trust Wallet and make sure it's connected to the Arbitrum One network. If Arbitrum isn't added yet, go to chainlist.org, search for Arbitrum One and add it with one click. Now tap send or transfer inside your wallet. Paste the recipient's Arbitrum wallet address. Double check that it's correct. Select the token you want to send, whether it's Ethereum or Arbitrum or any ERC20 token like USDC with or ARB. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the gas fee. Arbitrum gas fees are super low, usually just cents. Tap confirm and approve the transaction. Wait a few seconds for the transaction to complete. You can track it using arbitscan.io by pasting your wallet or transaction ID. And that's how you transfer tokens to Arbitrum One, fast, cheap, and super easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.